Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
This is Christine Langley with the Wyoming Women's Business Center, and I want to welcome you to Reconciling Accounts in QuickBooks, the desktop version. The Wyoming Women's Business Center is a nonprofit organization that assists individuals who want to start or expand small businesses in the state of Wyoming. And we do this through three specific programs. The first is business training and counseling. The second is access to capital through our microloan program and individual development accounts programs. And lastly, our Professional Artist Development Center. This QuickBooks training series is brought to you by our microloan program, which was started to provide access to funds for those unable to get business loans through traditional means. So if you'd like more information on our microloan program, please contact Waldo Smith. And now I'd like to turn it over to Derek with Capital Clarity Company. Welcome, Derek.
Thank you, Christine. Okay, in today's video, we'll be showing you how to reconcile bank, credit card, loans, and other various accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. Reconciling is arguably the most important piece of the accounting cycle. Your banks and credit card companies will send you a statement each month outlining the details of the activity associated with the account during that time period. Be sure to reconcile each account for which you receive a statement. This includes bank accounts, credit card accounts, and loan accounts. During the reconciliation process, you are looking for errors in the way a transaction was recorded, duplicated or falsely recorded transactions, or transactions that may have been inadvertently omitted. After opening your QuickBooks Desktop company file, click on the Reconcile icon under the Banking section of the homepage. You can also access the reconciliation screen by navigating to the Banking drop-down menu at the top of the screen and selecting Reconcile. Select the account you'll be reconciling in the pop-up dialog box. Enter the ending date as shown on the statement and the ending balance on the statement. You can also enter any bank service charges or interest earned in this screen if they have not yet been recorded into QuickBooks. To begin reconciling, select the blue Continue button. Begin by selecting all of the transactions from this list that also appear on the statement provided to you by your bank. After you have selected each transaction from the bank statement, your difference in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen should be 0. Be on the lookout for any transactions that you did not check off during the reconciliation. Does it make sense that this transaction has not cleared the bank yet? Is the transaction long in the past? Maybe you should consider contacting the vendor or payee and ask if they need you to reissue the check. Do not finish the reconciliation until your difference is 0, and you can explain every transaction that is left unmarked. If you are having trouble bringing your difference to 0, consider whether or not you are missing a transaction or whether a transaction is recorded incorrectly. If you are still having issues, please contact your accountant, tax professional, or a QuickBooks Pro advisor. Reconciling your accounts is the easiest and most important way of ensuring that your accounting records are in proper working order. Once you feel confident that the reconciliation is correct, click the blue Reconcile Now button. Thanks again for watching our video. Please be sure to check our other videos for more QuickBooks and general accounting topics. And I'll pass it back to Christine.
Thanks, Derek. The Wyoming Women's Business Center is made possible through several partnership agencies, and our primary funding comes from the Wyoming Business Council and the U.S. Small Business Administration. And so we thank everyone for their support. If you'd like more information on the Wyoming Women's Business Center, here's some contact information, and specifically our microlending director, Waldo Smith. Thanks for attending our QuickBooks training series.